So guys, titignan nyo lang yung visualization nyo sa game bago kayo umatak sa mga bawat defense. So mahalaga talaga yung shifty, then gawa ka ng moves kung between in or out, between the legs, behind the back, or yung small cross or big cross, bahala ka. Guys, tignan natin kung effective siya. Ang small cross, big cross na tinatawag or parang pauso natin. Tignan natin kung effective siya na drills. Small cross, big cross. Small cross, big cross, attack, pull up. Medyo effective naman na konti. Sige, isa pa. Let's go. Small cross, big cross, attack, then pull up. Ayun. Nice shot. So, tapos na tayo sa small cross, big cross, attack ng single. So, ang gagawin naman natin, small cross, big cross, attack, then between the legs. So, let's go. So, pag nandito yung defender, imagine nyo na nandito yung defender, kaharap siya. So, relaxation, shifty relax, then small cross, between the legs, small cross, big cross, between the legs, or behind the back, then attack. Tingnan natin kung yun ang pinakamalupit na visualization. So, small cross, big cross, between the legs, then attack. Ulit. Small cross, big cross, between the legs, then attack. Sorry, nakawala. Isa pa. So, let's go guys. Doon tayo sa small cross, big cross, between the legs, then behind the back, then pull up. Mas maganda ang pull up kasi kahit malaki ang defender or kahit big man ang kalaban mo, basta na pull up mo ng maayos, possibly na hindi ka ganun matatapal dahil malaki ang power ng pull up. Ready, go. Small cross, big cross, attack, pull up. First. Okay, go. Hold ulit lang yun, pero ito na yung second. Shifty, tignan muna ang visualization. Shifty kasi mahalaga ang visualization dito. Baka kasi may cutters or may nag-B-cut or may pick and roll. So, pero maganda tatawagin yung roll, ang pick and roll. So, ang visualization nyo rito, hanggat hindi gumagalaw yung moves niya, wag kayong magla-live moves. So, visualization, shifty, pag malapit ang pick, small, tas between the legs, then up. Right? So, isa rin sa moves na nag-shift ka ng moves para malito mo yung defender mo. Shifty, okay? Shifty ulit. Shifty. Small cross, big cross, between the legs. Then, pag sumundot, between the legs, then attack. Napaka-importante sa mga wingman, sa mga point guard, or sa mga big man. So, yun. Pag nagawa nyo yung moves na yun, pwede na kayong mag-create ng kahit ano. Dahil nasa inyo naman yun kung anong effective na moves para sa inyo. So, yung visualization nyo sa game bago kayo umatak sa mga bawat defense. So, mahalaga talaga yung shifty, then gawa ka ng moves kung between in or out, between the legs, behind the back, or yung small cross or big cross, bahala ka. Yung small cross, then cross between the legs or behind the back.